and headed over to tests. Okay, so this is where we're at. 2SAMP t-test is option 4. When you open it, it looks like this. We're given statistics, and we're going to enter everything in. The first population, sample size is 55. There's your mean, there's your standard deviation. And then you have to hit your arrow down. Your second population, there's the sample size, there's the mean and standard deviation. We get all the information from our chart. We're doing a right-tailed test. And remember, this is always no. If our standard deviations of the populations were the same, we would have to say yes, but we're not doing that. We talked about that at the very beginning of this section. All right, and when you calculate it, we get this menu, and here's your test statistic, and here's your p-value. All right, and that's what we're interested in. So let's record those underneath T and O. All right, 2SAMP T int is option 0. And we have data. I put the state quarters in list 1. I put the traditional quarters in list 2. It's raw data, so you can just say the frequency of each entry happens once. 90% confidence level. No, don't pull the data. We don't do that in this class. And then we get our confidence interval. All right, so let's write that down.